This is the wrap-up for the live market open for March 30th. We're seeing a very clear move in markets. The dollar is down. That's because Yellen went all the way dovish, repeating her stance from the rate statement, but contrasting what her colleagues said in the follow-up to that statement. We're seeing, she said that caution is especially warranted. She expressed more worries about global growth. She sees them as worse than beforehand, that there's considerable scope for more stimulus. Even though the next move is up, she did open the door for changing direction, going, cutting rates perhaps, without saying that explicitly. And that the inflation outlook is more uncertain. This comes despite the fact that inflation figures in the United States have improved, let's say, since December. The dollar was hit quite hard in the immediate aftermath. It was yesterday afternoon here in Europe, and then in the US close. In Asia, things settled down just a bit, but the dollar sell-off resumed this morning. Here we are, as we speak, new highs in euro dollar, 113.30. Next level to watch is 113.44, which was the high that the pair reached just after the previous appearance by Janet Yellen. Next resistance, 113.75, support at 112.50, then 112.15. Cable making an attempt, let's see if it's real or not, to break above 144.40. Next resistance, 145.10, support at 143.65. Dollar yen breaking under support at 112.20. I'm sure the authorities in Japan don't like it. 112.20, if confirmed, turns into resistance, followed by 112.83. Support is at 111, very strong support line. Dollar CAD almost there as we speak, reaching 130, the very round number. Further support 129.30 and very strong support at 128.30. Resistance at 131.70. Aussie dollar, yeah, just broke resistance. Thanks for the comment. I was busy talking and I didn't see the comment. Anyway, thank you very much for noting that out. We've reached 76.98, just under the round number of 77. I would not be surprised if we ever break above that. Anyway, we broke above the levels we've seen 2 weeks ago around the Fed decision at 76.80. And the next line of resistance, I think, is only 77.40. Okay, very nice moves. Australian dollar is one of the strongest ones, as Jake mentioned here. As Jake mentions here, it's strong also against the pound and the euro. Okay, and another strong currency, even stronger than the last time I looked, 69.53 on Kiwi dollar, hitting for the sky, big breakouts. Next level is the round level of 70. Okay, so this dollar sell-off certainly extends this morning. Okay, big moves. Let's talk about upcoming events for today. We have this morning at 12 GMT the German CPI. It's the preliminary read for the month of March. It comes on top of regional releases throughout the European morning. It could come out a bit better than expected according to the very first numbers we had out there, but nothing is certain. At 12:15 GMT, we have the ADP Non-Farm Payrolls for the private sector, a significant, and this time the only hint towards the NFP. Crude oil inventories. Oil is a bit lagging behind in comparison to the big moves in the US dollar against the US dollar. And worth mentioning, if you're awake at night, the New Zealand business confidence with the soaring Kiwi. Let's see if it gives the pair another boost or halts the rally. And before the show, worth mentioning tomorrow, if you wake up early, German retail sales. Okay, so we have traders certainly coming back to markets with full energy. Yellen coming with full energy, a full basket of worries, hitting the dollar quite hard. Anyway, that's it for the show for today. Wish everybody a safe and successful day in the markets. We'll be here tomorrow at the same time. It's 7 GMT now with daylight savings time, 8 in London, 9 Central European time. I'm based in Barcelona. Okay, so We're back to the same times for Europeans, just different time in GMT because it's springtime, almost summer. Okay, so that's it for today. See you tomorrow. Thank you and bye-bye.